In this part we will make the layout for the registration page. Let's create a sign-up component that we will use as an element for the route. In the same way as for sign in, add lazy loading. Register a new route with a signal path and pass the element wrapped in our suspense component. Fix the path and the link on the sign-in page. And now let's move on to the layout of the page. It will have the same structure as the sign-in page. But first, we'll do a little refactoring. In order not to duplicate the layout, let's move the base layout into a separate component. Since this is the layout component for our routes, we cannot pass the children, but use the outlet component from the React router. The outlet component renders all child content of the parent route. Now, in order to connect our layout to our routes, we need to add the parent router and pass our component as an element, and nest all the routes inside. And finally, we will add the layout for our page. The form will be the same as on the sign-in page, only we will add one input to confirm the password. And also a link to return to the sign-in page. Thank you for watching. In the next part, we will create a password recovery page. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and like.